Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for lawnfawn. Today I'm creating a bold and vibrant tropical card, so let's get started. First I'm ink blending my sunrise tropical background. I die cut the sunburst backdrop from white cardstock. The center circle is removable, so I put a piece of temporary tape on the back to hold it in place. Then I blend squeezed lemonade distress oxide ink over the circle and one long side of the cardstock, which will be the bottom of the panel. I let my blending come up and meet the circle. Then I add mustard seed around the circle, blending it with the bright yellow of squeezed lemonade. I blend abandoned coral and festive berries next, creating an arc of color around the circle. I use small amounts of ink for the first application because I can always add more later. Finally, I blend a little seedless preserves distress oxide ink at the corners to darken the sky and add some contrast. Then I go back and forth between the different colors until I have a smooth transition. I end up bringing the mustard seed a little bit lower so there's room for my other colors. I love how this background already kind of screams tropical before I add anything else. After I'm done blending, I dry the panel with my heat gun and set it aside. Next, I die cut the tropical backdrop from black licorice cardstock and the Hello Sunshine from gold glitter and black glitter cardstock. I layer my tropical backdrop over the sunrise and then decide on what glitter cardstock I'd like for the outline of my sentiment. I choose the gold so there's more contrast with the backdrop. To test it, I remove one of the inner die-cut letters from the black glitter cardstock, inlay it in the gold, and arrange it on my background panel so I can see how it looks. Off camera, I adhere my blended sunburst backdrop panel to a white card base. Then I add score tape to the back of my tropical backdrop and adhere it to the blended panel. Next, I turn the gold glitter sentiment over and apply score tape over the backs of the letters, making sure to cover the open areas where the black letters will be inlaid. I don't press too hard so that the adhesive doesn't stick through the openings onto my scrap paper. I also leave the adhesive backing in place. Once I've added tape to the back, I flip the gold sentiment over. Then I inlay all the black glitter letters into the gold sentiment, making sure to adhere them to the score tape. I have to end up adding a little more score tape to the back of the E so that I can add the inside pieces. Then I use scissors to trim the hello word off of the black glitter sentiment. Once that's done, I turn the sentiment over and add a little more score tape to the sunshine word, remove the adhesive backing, and apply liquid glue to the hello. Then I adhere that to the bottom of the blended panel and hold it in place so the glue has time to set. For the black glitter hello, I squeeze a little glue onto my scrap paper and then carefully dip the delicate sentiment into the glue. This ensures that I don't have excess glue on the back of a die that will be seen everywhere. I adhere it over the gold glitter word at a slight offset so the gold peeks through. And that's it! A bold and vibrant tropical card requiring no stamping or coloring and just a little bit of ink blending and die cutting. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Lawnfawn channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!